Now that you have learned how to find the library webpage, I'm going to show you how to use the online catalog. Every book in our library has an entry in the online catalog, so if we own the book, you will be able to find it in this catalog. The first step is to open the online catalog. You do that by clicking on the red and black pile of books. It will open a new web page. This new page has a lot of things on it, including pictures of many of the new books that we have just purchased for our library. But today we are interested in the red ribbon that goes across the top of the page. The first thing you see on the ribbon is a little white house. If you click that, it will take you back to this page. The first white box says Heyworth CUSD number 4 ELEM. That tells you that the catalog is searching our library right here at Heyworth Elementary, so we'll leave that box alone. The second box says All Fields. If we want to search for a title or an author or a subject, we can change that box. The third box is empty. That is where we will type the name of what we are searching for. And the last white box is the search button. We will click that when we're ready to start our search. Let's try a search right now. Maybe I want to find a book called Monsters in Space. First, I'm going to change all fields to title. Next, I will type in the title, Monsters in Space, and then I will click the search button and wait. Yay! We have the book! There are two important things to look at on this screen. The first one is call number. These numbers, and sometimes letters, such as in this case, tell me where the book is on the shelf. I need to write them down. But before I do that, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page and look at status. Status tells me if the book is here or not. This status says Easy Reader, so I know that the book is here on the Easy Reader shelf. If it were not here, the status would say Checked Out. But it is here, so I'm going to come back up here to call number and write down these letters, ERFICORY. Then I can go to the shelf and find the book. That is how you use the online catalog to find a title. Can you guess how I might use the catalog to find an author? Let's do that search together next.